afternoon to everyone. This is Sreeja studying 10th grade from TSWS Puram. Today I am in front of you to explain about the properties of the logarithm. Yes, we all know about the logarithms, right? So it is important to know the properties of the logarithms also. So here the logarithms are important in many applications and also in advanced mathematics, right? So now let's learn about the properties of the logarithm. So the properties of the logarithm can be divided into three types. They are the product rule and the quotient rule and the power rule. Now let's first of all let us go to learn about the product rule. So the product rule, the properties of the exponents corresponded with the properties of the logarithm. So when we multiply the same base, we can add the exponents, right? So that is, if we are seeing the example, a to the power of x and a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x plus y. So here when we are multiplying the same bases, we can add the exponents. So this is the best example. And also the this property of the exponents coupled with an awareness that a logarithm is an exponent suggests the product rule. And also when we go to the theorem of the product rule, the theorem of the product rule is let a comma y and a be the positive real numbers with a not equal to 1. So then logarithm a xy is equal to logarithm ax plus logarithm ay. So that is the logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithm. Now let's learn about the second one, that is quotient rule. So in this quotient rule, when we observe this, when we divide the same base, we subtract the exponents. So now let's take the one example. That is a to the power of x minus, a to the power of x by a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x minus y. So when we are dividing the bases, here we are subtracting. This property is called quotient rule. So when we observe the theorem of the quotient rule, so let a, x and y and a be the positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1. Here a is not equal to 1. So that is